Hi, I'm James, one of the designers of this water flosser. Now, various water flosser products on the market. They looks very heavy and not convenient to be carried. Cause the limited use of the most of the water flosser products. Here is the smallest smart water flosser in the world, Yameda. This is what we present. A delicate water flosser subvert previous products. Hope it can go beyond tools, become your life partner. As you can see, it's the same size with common used lipsticks. You can put it into the backpack, pocket, handbag, carry-on, and use it anytime. Yameda can be used so easily. Only need 3 steps. Open the protective cover. Open bottom injection door. Pull the inside part out from the outside case. Open the side cabin door. Take out the spray head. Insert the spray head into the hole. Turn over the device body. Add mouthwash water or drinking water. Close the bottom injection door. Press one button. Enter the using status. The storage tank capacity of Yameda will be accurate to be measured. Investigated a large number of target users, only for do the most appropriate capacity of the one-mouth water. Despite small size of Yameda water flosser, but water flusher still very strong, high efficient for powerful oral clean, and will not leave any dead angles. Care for your teeth in all directions. When your teeth need cleaning and care, can take it out to use at any time and any place. Confidence, beautiful, fresh, elegant, delicate Yameda to your of quality. Learn more, please search Yameda. Give you higher quality life.